Hello everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to sew such a boxed purse from scratch. It is popular today and could be used as a cosmetics bag. Also you can sew this boxed bag as a gift or to sell them and make money. To keep this bag in shape, I use fusible interfacing. You can see on the screen the alternative names of this product. The fleece has two sides. One side has glue dots. Prepare the rectangle with sides of 38 and 28 centimeters. Cut it out. Choose any fabric as the main one. I use an old pillowcase. Place the fabric face down on the table, then place the fusible interfacing on it. The dotted side should be in contact with the fabric. Now, using the hot iron, stick the fleece to the fabric. Check if everything is stuck well. And keep going. Cut off an extra fabric. This rectangle is the base of our boxed bag. Let's prepare the lining in the same size. I use cotton, but it is okay to use any type of non-stretch fabric. Fold the lining to define the middle line. Divide the lining into two equal rectangles. Prepare a zipper and two collars. Place the zipper face down on the base like this. Then cover it with the lining face down. Make a stitch with seam allowance about 7 mm. Good. Open the blank and turn the lining back. Iron it. Stitch along the zipper side. Don't try to make it fast, and everything will be okay. That is what we have now. Keep sewing. For the following sewing, we need to separate the zipper into two parts. For the best result, you can mark the face side of the zipper. Place the free part of the zipper face down, right here. Cover it with the lining face down too. And make a stitch. Now open the blank and iron. Then make a stitch right here. By this time we have such a construction blank. Turn it on the wrong side and open the lining. Join the lining sides, pin them and stitch, leave an opening for turning right here. Okay, done. Keep going. Turn it on the face. Put on the sliders into the zipper. See, it is really easy to do. And now we have this. Very carefully turn the detail on the wrong side. I forgot to film the moment where I fixed the zipper ends with thread to protect them from dividing during the turning. Mark middles here on the base bottom line. Now keep your attention. Turn the detail exactly the same as I show in my video. Pull the sides like this and flatten. See? Center points are in front of the zipper. Fix them. For the comfort size opening, I add such a tail loops like. It is easy to make, just fold twice and place it on the zipper edges, right here. So make it from the both sides. Now we need to stitch these sides. That is the result. Keep doing. Cut off an extra fabrics. Draw squares 3.5 centimeters from all the 4 corners. Cut them off, we don't need them. We have such a result. Great! The following steps are important. Just be in attention. Open the corner of the base like this. Fix it. Then open the same corner of the lining. Join these layers together. Watch this. Don't worry if you don't understand this step. Just keep watching. I will show you it again and again during the tutorial soon. Stitch allowance about 7 millimeters. See what we got. Show it again. I join the corners together. Open and join. See? Make them flat and join. Then stitch. And once again look at the section from different angle. I hope it is clear now. For corners, we are processed in this way. Almost done, just find the opening in the lining. Turn the back and side out using this opening. Now magic happened. See, all the seams are left inside the bag. The last step is just to stitch the opening. Turn the back inside out. Here it is! The Boxy zippered bag is ready for using. As you can see, I didn't use difficult patterns or difficult actions. Everything was clear, I hope. When you will be ready to sew such a bag at home, just on this video and do it with me step by step. Look at this bag, it doesn't have any ugly seams from the face side. Everything is careful and cute and clear. The video is finishing, thank you for watching and see you in other tutorials. Bye!